Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where we've been actively lending in America for over 20 years. It's where America goes for funding for commercial and residential finance. And today we're talking about, the best jumbo loans for 2021. We're getting ready to roll into a new year. And probably by the time that you're watching this, it'll be 2021. And we're talking about what is the best loan program, jumbo, for 2021. We're going to talk about my two favorite jumbo home loan programs that we actually offer at our company. And I'm going to explain them today so that way maybe if you're out there in the market and you're trying to get a jumbo mortgage, you may find out that our products are very irresistible, some of the greatest jumbo loan programs that we offer. And most lenders have actually stopped doing jumbo home loan programs, or they have ridiculous down payment requirements, ridiculous reserve requirements, and it doesn't even make sense to even get a jumbo loan. So remember, we are a nationwide lender. We offer jumbo home loans all over the country. The only state that we don't do jumbo in is Maryland, but any other state, we can help you with your jumbo loan. If you have questions or want more information about our jumbo loan programs, call or text us at 832-431-6331. We've helped tens of thousands of people all over the country to get their jumbo mortgage. We want to be able to help you too. And we are the direct lender. We're not a middleman or a third party or broker. We actually make this loan to you directly. But in my opinion, these are the two greatest loan programs for jumbo in 2021. The first one, which is my absolute favorite loan program, is the jumbo first lien HELOC. Okay, and we've talked a lot about the first lien HELOC. I have several videos talking about this program, but basically the way that it works is you can use your home as a line of credit, as a revolving line of credit, and you can go up to $1.5 million loan amount, okay? And you just have to have a 660 credit score. If you want more information about the first lien HELOC, you can check out a lot of my videos on that program. You can use it for purchasing, you can use it for refinance, but you use your home as a line of credit instead of a mortgage, which is really, really cool because you can use your home to make investments, pull cash out. It's interest only. There's no PMI. There's no escrow requirements. It's really unbelievable. If you qualify for the first lien HELOC, you definitely should be considering to get it because you can literally use your home as a cash flow generator and get out of this rat race with having a mortgage. So first lien HELOC is really, really awesome. And then my next loan program that we love, we help a lot of people with this. It's a jumbo loan with a HELOC. And you only have to put 5% down and there's no PMI. That's right, you can only have to put 5% down for this program right here. No PMI. Okay, so 5% down, no PMI. The way that this works is the first lien is a conventional loan, and that'll go up to the loan limit based on the county that you're in. So let's say, for example, you're in LA County, the 2021 loan limit is $822,000, and then we'll give you a line of credit for $250,000 on top of that. So you could purchase a home up to $1.1 million and only have to put 5% down, and you have no PMI. And the interest rates on these programs, like for example, this one right here, it's a conventional first. So the interest rates, right now are between 2 to 3% on your first mortgage, and the interest rate on the HELOC, they're starting at 4.25% interest only. So it's really a no-brainer opportunity because when you think about it, your blended interest rate is much lower than if you would get a jumbo loan and you had to put 25% down. And this program here on the jumbo loan with the HELOC has no reserve requirement. Now the first lien HELOC, depending on the amount that you go up to, it does have a reserve requirement. And if you go up to this amount right here, the max loan to value is 70% on a $1.5 million loan. But the lower the loan amount that you go, the LTV expands. You can go up to 90% loan to value. So these two programs, I think, are the two hottest jumbo loan programs in 2021. And obviously, we have to, if you want more information about them, I suggest that you call or text us at 832-431-6331. You can also, inside the link in the YouTube description, there's a link to get pre-approved to get signed up there. You can click there or to have us call our office. We're open 7 days a week for you from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can reach out to us anytime if you want more information about these two loan programs. But if you compare this to most lenders, for jumbo, if you look at most lenders, they want, 20 to 30% down, plus 6 to 12 months reserves. Okay. So if you think about that, if you're buying $1 million home, you'd have to put $200,000 to $300,000 down and then have another 100,000 in reserves. Now, if you have that money, that's great. We can help you with that. But a lot of people, they can make the payment, but they don't have the money for the down payment and the reserves on top of that, but they can afford the payment. So if you're in that boat, that bucket, you know what I'm saying. So here, you're still getting a low interest rate. But you're only having to put 5% down or 10% down, right? And you have no PMI, so there's not really any strings attached. You just have to qualify, and that's the thing is having meeting the qualifications, which is you have to have at least a 660 credit score. You have to have a debt to income ratio, ideally 40% or below. This program is not going to be good if you have a high debt ratio. If you have a lot of debt, then the bank doesn't want to make the loan to someone who has a very high debt ratio because we're making the loan to you directly, and we want to make sure you can service your loan. So obviously a higher credit score is preferred. If you have a 700 or 800, that's better because you're going to get better terms and easier underwriting. But it does go down to a 660 credit score. And then, like I said, if you have a low debt ratio, now you do have to verify your income. This is not no-doc loans. These are fully documented loans with W-2s or tax returns and pay stubs. No bankruptcies or foreclosures in the last 4 years. So you have to have certain requirements that you meet. Obviously, you understand that. But the biggest thing is these loans are very, very compelling because you can buy your beautiful home and put very little money down or out of pocket and still get a low payment. So that's why we're here to help to serve you if you're out there and maybe you got denied by your lender for that jumbo loan, or you think that you don't qualify because you have to put 25 or 30% down. This is a solution here, how we can help you so you can qualify to get your dream home and still afford the payment and not have to, put 25 or 30% down, have a bunch of reserves. So in my opinion, these are going to be some of the best home loan programs for jumbo for 2021. If we can help you or you want more information about these jumbo loans, please call or text our office at 832-431-6331 and check out my next video. Thank you so much.